Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to prepare for an off-body move with a hula hoop called the helicopter. This is a helicopter in slow movement. Before we start moving into the helicopter, I would like you to start with any of your hands and try to bring it to the side, twist the hoop and connect it to the back. So, and again twist and to the center. In the side we twist and bring it to the back and to the center. And one more time. 1, 2, 1, 2. With the other hand in the same direction to the side, twist so the hand is facing, and then to the side, to the back, side, twist, front. Twist the wrist back, twist the wrist front. One more time, and we change the hands. We'll start with this movement going to the side, to the back, and when you're at the back, you grip with the other hand, and the movement we did before, side and front. And we continue, twist, back, side, twist, front, twist, back, side, twist, front. Let's try the other direction. Twist, back, twist, front, twist, back, twist, front, and continue the flow. And of course, when you're moving, the hoop is flying easily in the air. Next thing we're gonna try is we're gonna twist back and twist it one more, so you can bring your arm like this, grab, twist and front. So it will be even extra movement. So not here as we did before, but even more. Bring the wrist even further out and allow this arm to catch it, strong arm, and it will be a little bit more like a propeller. You can move around. And the other direction. Moving to the back, and instead of catching it here like we did before, we twist it even further, catch with the other hand, continue twisting and catching. And when you move quicker, it's much easier to manipulate the wrists. Practice that. And now the last step, we're gonna add one more extra movement in front. So we did this twist, we caught the hook behind, we used to bring it here, catch right away, but now we're gonna add even more move from here. It's almost like an impossible move, but because we're gonna bring it to the fingers, we're gonna catch it with the other arm, so it will create one extra propeller move. And with time you can do it much quicker, but it's not our goal for now. And that's it for the helicopter. Wrists are moving nicely in all directions. Fingers are working. Arms and shoulders are opening. We'll continue with the supportive exercises in a little bit.